Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to start a new series, a new video course where I will teach you how to create beautiful websites from scratch. And this series is targeted toward people who don't know anything, like absolute beginners. If you have never created any website in your life, or you want to start, like you have no idea about web design, you have no prior information, then this course is for you. I will start from the very ground up. I will show you how to install WordPress. I will show you how to customize it, how to install themes, how to install plugins, how to do all kinds of modifications which will make a great website from scratch. So basically, if you don't do anything till this point, that's completely fine. So we will start this tutorial, and this is going to be a series. So this is the first video where we will install and configure WordPress, and after this I will create subsequent videos where I will explain a lot of other stuffs. So if you're new here or you somehow found my video, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon so when I release a new video you get the notification. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and now let's start. Okay, so for creating a website there are a lot of things you need, but I'm just going to keep it simple, and I'm going to say that you need two things which are like the most important. The first is a hosting or your server where you store all your files. So when you create a website, you have certain files. You have PHP files, and if you create it using HTML, then you have HTML files, you have CSS files, you upload all kind of images, your logo and other stuff. So these are all files need to be stored somewhere where it can be accessed 24/7. So for that you need a hosting or a server, and I'll put link to my favorite hosting in the description, so you can just go ahead and check it out if you want. And the second thing we need is a domain. Domain is basically the actual name or actual URL address of your website, which a user can take a look at and have access to your website. So for example, my website creatorghost.com, this is the domain. And for all the other websites like google.com, facebook.com, wikipedia.org, or any other website, you see these are called the URL or the domain. So I do have a domain and a hosting for myself, and this is the control panel, and this is like the most common layout for the control panel. That's why I'm showing you this control panel, because most of the hosting providers use the same control panel layout. So it will be really easy for you to follow, and that's really great. So let's go ahead, and since we already do have hosting and I don't want to make some changes on my main website, I will go ahead and create myself a subdomain. And many of the hosting providers give you the abilities to create subdomain, where for example, if your website is example.com, in this case you can create subdomains from like blog.example.com, or you can also use a different directory. In this case we already created something like if I can find it. We don't have it. Okay, so let me just go to the second page. Yes, here it is. I created youtube.creatorghost.com just for this tutorial, and currently it's empty. Like it's just showing index of, and there is a little bin file, and if you access it at this current stage you will see only this. So there is nothing. So now let's go ahead and install WordPress on it. So we have our domain, we have our hosting. Now it's time to install WordPress. And for installing WordPress, all of your hosting cPanels come with some sort of auto installers. So in this case of HostGator, we have Softaculous app installer and Softaculous app installer, like three different places you can use them to install. So some came with Fantastico, some come with other installers, and there are like multiple installers. That doesn't matter, because you have to install WordPress, and however you wish to install it, that's totally up to you, because once you install WordPress it will be same for you. So since our hosting is providing us with Softaculous, which is like a really popular, and you will surely find this one in your hosting. So it is like the most common one. So I'm going with Softaculous, and there are like 3 ways to access it. So I will just go ahead and click on WordPress, and you can also click on this WordPress Manager by Softaculous. You can also go to Softaculous App Installer. I'll just click on this, and once I do that, it will give me an overview of WordPress. What is WordPress? So WordPress is a web-based software you can use to create a beautiful website or blog. We like to say that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. WordPress is like the most used CMS platform for creating your website. This is really great, and as you can see, I have a lot of installations right here, and it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 installation currently for WordPress. So as you can see, here is the install now button. I'll click on install now. It will ask for choose the version you want to install. So the current version at the time of recording this video is 5.4.2. so I'm just going to select this and choose the protocol HTTPS, and after that we'll choose the domain, and we have our domain right here. Yes, youtube.creatorgoals.com, which I just created for this tutorial. And if it give you some kind of error, something like here that HTTPS is not supported or anything like that, we will fix that in the later videos, so don't worry about that. Now for the site name, I will say YouTube, if I can spell it correctly, YOU, YouTube blog. Okay, and YouTube blog for assassinghost. Okay, now for the admin username and admin password. For admin username, I will just leave it to admin, and for the password, I will change it to pass@123. Don't try to log in, because as soon as I am finished recording this video, I will just change the password. Now there are other options. It is also giving you the option to install theme, but we are going to do that later on. There will be a separate video for that, and we'll go in depth how to do all of these. So I'm just going to leave that, and I'm just going to press install. Now it says checking the submitted data. This may take 3 to 4 minutes. Please do not leave this page until the progress bar reaches 100, and it is going to install WordPress on our website, and it shouldn't take long. I'm waiting. Okay, so congratulations, the software was successfully installed. WordPress has been successfully installed at youtube.creatorgoals.com. If you click on it, you can see YouTube blog for assassinghost, the thing we just wrote. And this was the previous without the WordPress installation. If I now go ahead and just reload it, of course our new WordPress installation will be here, and the administrative URL. So for example, if you know a website is made using WordPress, so for in this case our youtube.creatorgoals.com is made using WordPress. It says here powered by WordPress. In order to access the admin screen, you can just go to the URL and type /wp-admin, and once you do that, it will ask for your credentials. Login, I'm just going to put admin and pass@123. Of course I'm going to change it, and now we will log in. So this is now the dashboard. I'm not going to save it right now. This is the dashboard for our WordPress website, and in the subsequent videos we'll take a look at what all of these mean, how to customize it, and how to make your site look awesome. Other than this, what color is this? I don't know. Okay, something like, yes. So this is like the basic default WordPress theme, and we will change it, we will make some modification and make sure your website looks fantastic. So this was how you installed WordPress on your website. And if you have any question, or like if you have any queries, or if you're facing any problems installing WordPress, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And I will also recommend you to join my Discord server. So on the Discord server, let me just go ahead and quickly create a channel. Like right now I'm going to create a channel called WordPress, create channel, and you can come to my Discord server and you can just go ahead and ask me if you are facing any problem. I will definitely assist you. I'm always online on Discord. And even if you don't use Discord or don't want to join on Discord, that's totally fine. You can ask in the YouTube comments. But be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I will be releasing new video related to this topic. And I really appreciate you watching till the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.